How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Oscar. How's it going, guys? Welcome. Just gonna test that everything's working here. There you go, guys. So you are able to see me right now. Just want to make sure that my audio is good. So should be able to see me right now, guys. Welcome back to the channel. And today, of course, as you're seeing right now on my screen, I'm gonna go to Robinhood right now, and oh boy, Dogecoin is doing fantastic things right now. We're looking at the price of 36 cents, which is something good. It's something pretty cool. There you go. That's me. Let me see. All right, we got the ads running. That's me. Okie dokie. Alrighty. As you know, yesterday was my first live, so this is my second live. So I'm trying to get used to all these things. So that's pretty cool. Everybody, welcome. And well, today it's about Dogecoin and the stock market. Gotta tell you guys that it is impressive. It is unprecedented what we're looking right now with Dogecoin. It's I will say a complete example that now people are finding ways to make money in an unusual way, I will say. 1 year ago, when nobody was taking a look at Dogecoin, less than, of course, not even 1 penny worth, now coming super close to the dollar. I think that's what we gotta take a look at, right? From me, I mean, I gotta tell you, I don't really like to, in a way, I like to be realistic. I think that's the best way to describe it. I like to be realistic when it comes to cryptocurrencies because they're risky. That's one thing you have to know. They're risky. 1 week ago, we're looking at less than 10 cents. Yeah, less than 10 cents. And now already increased almost 500%. I was telling one of my friends that he wanted to invest in Dogecoin. He was like, I don't know, I want to wait for the dip. And I'm like, absolutely wait for the dip. I'm waiting for the dip too. But in reality, like, you know that the stock market returns anywhere from like 7% all the way to 10% every year, right? Like if you have an index fund, you have Roth IRA, which I mean, I'm a big fan of, and we're going to be talking a little bit about that as well. You're going to get anywhere from 7 to 10% if you're in the nice FNCMX, SPY, BTSAX, I mean Vanguard. But when it comes to Dogecoin, in 1 day already we're looking 40% return. In 1 week we're looking at almost 500% return. In 1 month we're looking at that. I mean, that's, I think, insane, right? And that's the way to see this. Now, at this time, we're looking at pretty cool drop from 47 cents. And I have this to see my to tell me with exact precision on TradingView, and I have my Robinhood. We're looking at Robinhood right now, and it's 33 cents, so which is pretty cool. As either people are selling or just the price is dropping, and there's so many things that will cause this price to drop, and I don't know most of them because it's just insane. I understand a little bit better Ethereum and Bitcoin, to be honest with you guys, but when it comes to Dogecoin, I mean, you have to know this is a coin that has no limit, unlimited amount of supply. Risky, but really fun to talk about, right? It's super fun to talk about, guys. It's coming to 32 cents, 33 cents now. I think the sad thing will be that people already bought at this level at around 8:35, 8:40 a.m. They bought at this level, guys. And, well, it's dropping. Should I buy? Should I buy, guys? What do you think? Should I buy Dogecoin right now? That'll be something cool to see, right? It's very easy. Just go type how much Dogecoin you want to buy, and bam, here's my position, guys. Here's my position. There you go. My position on Dogecoin is 1,365 Dogecoins. That's my position. And back in the day when I hold it, I mean, didn't think much because it was like $100. Actually, for a long time, right here, let me show you. On Robinhood, somewhere here, everyone, I was losing a lot of money because I bought like at 6 cents and it dropped to 4 cents, and I waited months, guys. And now, look at it. Like, I have my TikTok channel, my TikTok, and there's a link there, guys, if you want to check it out. But on my TikTok, the community there is so passionate. On Facebook, the community is so passionate. Like, everywhere on Dogecoin, the community is so passionate, and it's insane. I like it. I like it because imagine, just stay at home, don't do much. You may feel alone, right? Well, what's the best thing to do when there's nothing else to do? Well, make money, right? And that's my channel about, make money with Oscar. I'm not the smartest. I'm not the one who knows everything, but I'm learning as I go. And I think that's the best thing to do right now in 2021. 2020, it feels like 2020, but it's 2021. And the years go by so quickly, everyone, so quickly. And stock market will help you make money. Of course, it will help you make money, but you need to learn from your mistakes and just keep pushing, because I've lost money, and I'm gonna get into that. So I have a question here from Evie Girl. Thank you for your question. It says, if I put $500 right now, how will it work? This is my first time. So welcome to the channel. And look, you wanna buy, perfect. You can use Binance, you can use Robinhood, you can use any channel you have. And how will it work? Well, you just deposit your money on Robinhood and go ahead and you deposit your money, which $500 will give you the $500 instant deposit. Anything above 1,000, you have to wait. But then you buy it, you review the order, like I'm on in the US, to you $500, and it will get you 1,347. That's insane, because with the same amount of Dogecoins I have, and I went in with just $100. So now you need, look at this, you need $500 now to get the same amount of Dogecoins I bought when I had when I purchased with $100. That's insane. So that's how you do it. That's how you do it. What I'll tell you is, I'm waiting so much for Coinbase, guys, to add Dogecoin, right? That's what I want a lot. That's really what I want. Just this week, I opened my Coinbase account. And I have Coinbase, and I had Coinbase Pro. And if you're watching this, I highly suggest you to buy everything on Coinbase Pro, because there's less fees, and on Coinbase Pro, it's just straight, like everything's just so straight. You buy it and you're out. That's it. For Coinbase, I bought Cardano, because Cardano is a really good one as well. It seems that Dogecoin is coming back, everyone. Seems Dogecoin is coming back a little bit. Let's look at TradingView. I think TradingView gives a probably more precise value of the coin than Dogecoin. Who knows? Maybe. I think Dogecoin right now is at 40. By the way, we tried to sell Dogecoin, one Dogecoin, to see if Robinhood would allow to sell Dogecoin, guys. And you can only send a minimum. Like, you have to start from 10 and above. You cannot sell one Dogecoin on Robinhood. It will tell you that you need to sell more than 10. So that's something I didn't know. Something I didn't know for sure. Okay, so the price is coming up. That's pretty cool. So if you have any questions, guys, let me know. That's what we're here for. Let's see. And I'm also getting used to all this live things, because I'm pretty new to this, so I think it's fantastic to learn and to do lives and to talk to you guys and to talk to my community. And I know my channel specifically, it is not only about, I'm gonna take out the slow-mo here. There you go. It's not only about cryptocurrency. So if you're watching, or if somebody's gonna watch this later, I'm gonna kind of introduce myself a little bit right now. So my name is Oscar, and I love to talk about investing. I love to discuss anything that can help you out make money and help you achieve financial freedom. I think that's the foundation of my channel, and I'm learning as I go. I've done stocks, I've done Roth IRA, and I've done crypto. And out of all these three, the one I have most of my money in is retirement accounts, because I am looking forward to my life and I don't want my crypto to one day just vanish at all. All right. So that is a little bit of myself, everyone. So, you know, looking at Dogecoin price, so it's looking at, 37. That's pretty cool. Now let's go ahead and check my positions. Look at this, guys. We're looking at $9,000, and I'm up $100, and that's because of Doge. Absolutely. Some of my options that are doing terribly, but you learn, you go, you live, and you learn. And the beautiful thing about my options is that I bought the options before all the nasty things happened, starting at the beginning of February. So, and I didn't sell on time, so it's fine. I think I've really learned a lot, but happily, my losses aren't that much. So super happy, super fine, because I didn't put all the eggs in one basket. I think that's the first rule of investing, right? Do not put all your eggs in one basket. I have Square, Pinterest, Apple. I have Microsoft, Neo, SNDL, Plug, FCL, and ARC, and of course Dogecoin as well. And which are the stocks that you like, guys? Do you have any preference? You have anyone that like, I kind of want to buy this one? Well, let me tell you that I love to be in the technology EV environment, but it is very volatile. And if you're not used to that, or if you don't want volatility to be your enemy, or to see these losses accumulate, then maybe sticking with AT&T, Coke, Pepsi, Johnson & Johnson, any ETF, that will help you out a lot. But I personally love to diversify my portfolio. I love to see how the stock market is doing, because there's a lot of things happening right now. For example, with the inflation news that are happening from the Federal Reserve survey just this week. Then the banks like Wells Fargo announcing, higher bidding expectations in their report earnings. Then, of course, this new administration bringing change and bringing an outlook to the EV. That's why I got up. There's a great ETF called PBW, Power Shares Wilder Hill Clean Energy Portfolio. So if you are in the EV, if you like that a lot, check that ETF. It's all about EV clean energy. So I'm always training and seeing what's going on there. Going back to Doge, let's see. So it seemed that, because that's what happened, right? Like a week ago. Look at this beauty. Will it actually come back to 40 cents? Who knows, right? Who knows? Like, that's insane. If I cash out now, my equity will be $500, 427% return. My Lord. Now it's 5% of my portfolio diversity. So it's gaining a higher portfolio diversity right now. Wow. That's insane, everyone. That's insane. Look, I just noted this. Unavailable. Dogecoin trades may not execute right now. Typical Robinhood, right? Typical Robinhood. So let me go ahead and decrease my... There you go. So you are able to see that better. Nice. Now you are gonna be able to see it. How it says unavailable. Why? Because that's pretty much what I've been telling you a lot, and that what I've learned, that Robinhood is a place to buy stocks and ETFs, but to buy crypto, I mean, I would love to buy more, but it's just they're not FDIC insured, guys, and that's not bueno. That's not bueno, guys. You want something that's FDIC insured, and on Gemini, which I use, I mean, they insure up to $250,000. Last time I checked, I may be wrong, but I think that's what I remember. And then that's what I like to see. Security. So let's go ahead and refresh it and see what's going on. So still unavailable, may not execute right now. That's pretty cool. But still, like, we went to bed. It was what, 23 cents. Now it's 37 cents. I think that's success, everyone. That's success. It's growing, and that's exactly what we want to see on Dogecoin. Very volatile stock. Now, let's check Ethereum, because Ethereum, there you go. This is my other baby. Here I'm making a buck as well. I bought my first Ethereum when it was at 1,000 bucks, then at around 1,100, then at around 1,500, and the last one I bought it at 1,900. So, man, I mean, I love it. You guys like Ethereum? Because I love Ethereum. That's one thing. And of course, the one and only Bitcoin. Let's see, Bitcoin 61. So it's above 60, guys. That's insane. That's great, because there's a 5% increase last week. There's an 11% increase last month. There's a 67% increase last 3 months. And 800, and that's the crazy one, right? That it went from $7,000 on Bitcoin. There's another one, guys, called Cardano, Polkadot, Elongate, X. Let me check that one. We'll leave here Dogecoin price. Let's see. I want to open my Coinbase here on my phone. So we're live for 17 minutes. That's pretty cool. Let's see. So we have XRP. Yeah, XRP is another one. Okay, look, I'm looking at my at Coinbase prices, and Bitcoin, Ethereum 2, Binance, XRP, Tether, Cardano, they're all down. But guess who's up? Guess who's up? Dogecoin, baby. Just by it says here 156%. That's nice. And Polkadot is down, Uniswap is down, Litecoin is up, Chainlink is up. Which one do you guys like? Like if you had $1,000 to invest in the stock market, honestly, right now, I'll just put it into crypto. Using Coinbase or like Gemini, and I'll do that. Absolutely. Because that's the future. That's the future, everyone. And still, Dogecoin at less than $1, I think it's still a good price. Because let's say, will it hit $1? That's the name of this title, right? Like, will this hit $1? And I think the answer to that, everyone, is absolutely. When it hits $1, I think that's when people are gonna start selling, because that's one of my friends told me that. He's like, once it hits $1, goodbye. And I'm like, I mean, I still want to hold it, because most of these coins, they're above $1. The ones that are reputable, but Dogecoin has such a huge community that, I mean, I don't see it going away anytime soon. I don't see Dogecoin going away anytime soon. I see Dogecoin for here to stay at a cheap price under $10 for sure, but still here. Now, in less than a week jump so much, guys, that you have to understand that it jumped 500%. That's a lot, right? So, well, I mean, I honestly believe it will stay here. And then plus, of course, who is the one who's taking care of us in the Dogecoin environment? Well, us, I mean, the community, right? But as well, Elon Musk and a lot of celebrities as well. And just the people behind it. There's a video I share on my private Facebook group where Elon Musk is talking about that. It will be so funny, pretty much, to see like the joke coin can become the real coin, and the real coin will become like the joke coin, referring as Dogecoin taking the spot of Bitcoin, right? I don't think that's gonna happen, but I see that Dogecoin can eventually become something of value. The only thing that I don't like about Dogecoin is just the unlimited supply. That's the only thing I don't like. Because at the pace it's going, by the time it reaches $1, or let's say $5, because there's people saying on YouTube that it's gonna reach $10. I mean, gosh, if it reaches $10, everyone, you have to understand: is Robinhood really gonna have the money to cash you out? Like, understand how many people have like a million coins, and if they want to cash out at $10, I mean, that to me is what I'm still trying to process in my mind, right? Because it's a lot of money. And there might be a crash due to that, and it's fine, because crashes are fine, kind of to stabilize stuff. But like what I was saying is, I think right now it's when things are gonna get pretty serious. Right now is the time, I think, to buy anything under $1, and then after $1 to $5, if it actually gets to that point, then I will start kind of like on the fence, buying and holding and then selling. Because eventually you want to realize your gains, and there's nothing wrong about that. But yeah, I mean, guys, that is Dogecoin right now, looking fine. We'll see how it does. I mean, at the end of the day, the Doge army is there. I mean, there's a lot to do with this. There's a lot that's going on. And my Lord, I'm going to check. Like, on my TikTok is flooded with it's flooded with comments about Dogecoin. That's what I post mostly. And you gotta be careful. We got another comment from Steve. Hi, Steve. Welcome to the channel. Thank you for posting, buddy. So you're saying this is insane. I put 3K at 0.046, and when it hit 0.44 high today, I almost fallen out. Yeah, I mean, that's the issue with Dogecoin, right? And if you're new to Doge, which I hope you're not, you have to understand that it's risky, but that's what you're signing up when you are buying it here on Robinhood, right? Like, for example, on TradingView, kind of gives a more precise price, but still takes time. On Dogecoin, that's what we have. And just hold, man. Steve, just hold, buddy. You're fine. You're gonna be fine. Just hold, and make sure you make up for your losses if you're losing money, right? Because let Aunt Oscar tell you that when you buy when it's running, when it's skyrocketing, right? It's not the best time to buy it, Steve. It's not the best time. That's why I'm holding. I only have $100 out of my own cost, but I'm holding for that drop. This, guys, what you see from 47 cents to 35 cents. That's not the drop I'm talking about. That's not the drop I'm talking about. I'm talking about a drop like this, guys. Like, well, actually on Robinhood, I cannot even see it, but let's see. Let me do 1 day, 1 week. It's because you cannot even see it clearly, but it's this little friend right here on April. Or is it? Okay, I think it's this one. The drop I'm talking about is somewhere here where it goes to the sky and then drops heavily. That's the drop I'm talking about. I think it's gonna be hard for me to explain the drop because it's just going so fast. But I will say anywhere anywhere in the vicinity of 100 to 400%. That's the drop I'm looking for. That's the drop I'm looking for, right? Like right now, this drop means nothing. It's 93% to 45%. No, the drop I want to see, guys, is all the way to close to maybe 15 cents. That's the drop I want to see. Will it happen? I don't know, but I mean, I'm kind of using my stock market foundations that I've gotten for a long time to buy. It may not work on crypto. That's the thing, and I'm fine with it. I mean, it works, it doesn't work. That's the way we roll. We have Alex Miami saying Robinhood is causing this slowdown. Don't you say my Alex. You're right. It's just what it is, right? It's just what it is. Robinhood, a place where I love to put my money in, but for crypto, it's just for content, pretty much. It's just for just good, nice content to let people know about what's happening in the market, right? I have some water. Oh boy. Like I went to bed. I woke up. I thank the Lord for another day. And I check my Robinhood and look at this. I mean, I'm sure I'm not the only one, right? I'm not the only one, guys. Oh boy. It's just insane. It's just insane. Alex says it makes it easy to buy for most folks. Yeah, I mean, it is easy to buy, but to sell, that's the issue, right? And thank you for bringing that up, Alex, because that is exactly what my concern is and what I've been talking. What's going to happen when a bunch of kiddos, and I'm including in that category, kiddos with tons of Doge, the price of Doge reaches, let's say, $1, $2, and most of us want to cash out. Is Robinhood gonna let us? Because remember, cryptocurrency is decentralized. Cryptocurrency is not ruled by the government, if I may say. So, and Robinhood has had a lot of issues nowadays. Last year, 2020. In March, February, when it was down for 2 days, that was insane. A lot of people lost money and stuff. This year with GameStop. So, I mean, you'll have to understand that it's always, there's a risk involved. Which, by the way, I'm going to Vegas soon. And my friend is like, I want to risk it. And I'm like, you know what? You better, if you want to actually make money, you actually put money right now in Dogecoin, which is still a gamble, and I think you'll make more money here on Dogecoin than in Vegas. That's what I said. What do you think? Most people don't know that Robinhood can take up to 20 days to deposit your money. Yeah, that's why it's called Insta deposits. Less than $1,000. Let me actually tell you that once I tried to deposit $7,000 on Robinhood, and I've waited like 8 days to get my $6,000 on the account, because yeah, I did have my $1,000 instant deposit, but the rest took forever. And of course, by then already the position I wanted to make, it was just not early enough. But it's fine. I mean, at the end of the day, that's what you do. You live and you learn. You live and you learn. Let me go ahead to Twitter. I love Twitter. You guys like Twitter? And let's go ahead and do Doge. And let's look at this. 12 hours ago, we're currently experiencing issues with crypto trading. Don't you say? We're working to resolve this as soon as possible. For the latest check here, let's actually check and see what Robinhood has to say. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Typical. Crypto trading issue update. We're continuing to invest this issue. Update. We're continuing to invest this issue. Investigating. We're currently experiencing issues with crypto trading. Blah 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 blah. So that is why you wanna put your money on crypto, but on a broker that just does crypto, right? Like Coinbase and Gemini or Binance or what have you, because of this, because of Robinhood's dumb issues. And it's fine. I mean, anything else is great. I like the app, love it. I mean, no one can come close to the user interface, right? But the crypto trading, dude, like that's what's selling right now. That's what people are buying. That's what everything's happening. The content as a YouTuber or upcoming or someone who just wants to help people and, make something of myself, create a community. Crypto is selling and we want to get the most reliable information right now. We have Steve saying, heck yeah, I'm up 27K of the 3K investment. I'm holding and take profit at 1.5. Hopefully, yeah, I think that's a good strategy, to be honest with you. Those platforms are ready for the volume, but not Robinhood. It's true, Alex. You're right. Like Robinhood, typical issues right now with the crypto trading, selling. It's of course an unpopular opinion here on the streams. Everybody wants to hold their coins. Everybody wants to hold Dogecoin, and that's fine. I like that, right? But as an investor, you always want to have an exit strategy, guys. Have an exit strategy if things don't go your way. And let me give you a very personal example. Very, very personal example, which is this. I have 2 calls right here. They're worthless, right? If you are like a lot of people are right now learning a lot of cryptocurrency, but there are other ways, reliable and more trustworthy ways to make money. And the best way to learn and the fastest way to learn is to make mistakes. And I'll be the first one to tell you that I made the most mistakes because I want to learn the fastest possible. Of course, I'm not going to put 100% of my portfolio to learn a mistake. No, that's not right? I'm going to have a dedicated amount. So if things go my way, I gain. If things don't go my way, that's it. So these 2 are worthless. They were worth some money back in the day, but I was never considering that by April 16, I'll be in this position. It's fine. It happens. Move on, right? So I should have had, and this is why I'm bringing this up about options, which are very important, by the way. And we can talk about options if you guys want me to talk about options and how this plays out. But I didn't have an option strategy to exit. So when the price dropped all the way, I just hold it, waiting for that comeback. And it never happened. And well, that's it. That's it. And at the end of the day, here I am holding these 2 worthless options that, of course, are killing me. And I've lost around $3,000. But I'm fine. You know what? You guys remember about this stock Upstart? So we'll for everyone who's watching, we're going to go back to Dogecoin. Just give me 1 second. I'm checking the price of Dogecoin is still at it's less than 40 cents right now. So I'm just going to tell you this. Upstart, I had an option here, and because of the jump that it had right here, this unprecedented jump, I was able to exit this one and have money, and that money I put into more reliable stocks like Microsoft, Apple, and Square, and that's what's bringing me up to higher ends. My options, guys, to talk about, of course, the options I have is these 2 that are worthless, expiring today. I have Plug and FCell. It's fine. You live and you learn, and that's great. And I have my Apple $150 call by the end of the year expiring. It's so funny, guys, because when it comes to options, I bought a lot of them. Most of them are pretty much garbage at this point. But the one I think is gonna help me the most, it's the end of the year Apple call for 150 strike price, right? And guess what? This is insane. That's the pattern I learned from the speaker Nancy Pelosi. That's the pattern I learned because that's what she had in there when she purchased this option. I talked a little bit about it on my channel, and she bought an option for the end of the year at this strike price and stuff like that. So I'm like, wow, let me just do it right. So yeah, let's go back to Dogecoin. Let's go back to Doge. It's coming close to 40. That's nice. So yes, that is what I think about options, and that's what I think about, making money the reliable way. And cryptocurrency right now, it is the way to go. And Robinhood, it's still messing things up. Typical. On Coinbase, it's still fine. Now, everybody knows here, like Coinbase, like the community is pushing Coinbase to add Dogecoin, right? Like you all know this, right? If you don't know, yes. Coinbase, if they add Dogecoin, goodbye Robinhood. Easy. Easy, guys. Goodbye Robinhood, crypto, and hello, welcome Coinbase. That's it. Because I already have, what's the name? Cardano on Coinbase. And I was talking about Cardano a couple minutes ago. And it's a great coin. Right now it's down, but it competes with Ethereum in a way, not in price, right? But in the things that it does, smart contracts. And there's a video that I posted here on the channel that I'm comparing Dogecoin with Cardano. And I had some comments saying, how do you dare to do that? Like comparing the two of them. Hey, I'm learning. It's all about learning. It's all about posting and sharing the ideas out. That's it. And I've learned that, of course, Dogecoin, it's a joke coin that right now is way more popular than Cardano. And Cardano, of course, it's a coin that it has a community of its own. Woo! But yeah, I mean, that is what it is. We want to see Dogecoin on Coinbase, absolutely. And I tell you, because I use Gemini. I'm gonna show you here, guys, because I don't want to log in here because it just takes too long. If you have an iPhone, of course, it's just with your face and that's it. So you can see this, and you may be able to see something like this. But here are my positions on Gemini, and if I see Dogecoin on Gemini, guys, that's it. I can retire finally, because Gemini to me is like a great platform for cryptocurrency and very safe. They have Gemini Earn, stuff like that, and I'm making money. Like I made like $10 so far from Earn, so I like it. Check it out. There's a link in my description as well. You guys want to make some Bitcoin money there, or ask me anything and I'll let you know my experience. Alrighty, so we have some couple of viewers now, like 10 plus. Welcome everyone. If you're watching, I'm barely new to the live here on YouTube. My name is Oscar and my channel is Make Money with Oscar, and what I like to do is post about my investing journey. And I have different ways for you to contact me, Patreon or this or that, but at the end I'm just a basic average guy who likes to make money and to learn and to see the things. Because one thing is true, I was late for this. I think that investing is something so vital and important for anyone, and I was so late. I'm already close to my 30s. Probably here I have some kids watching me or some adults watching me, but typically my analytics tell me that people from 25 to 34 watch me the most. But it's like for us as millennials, because I'm a millennial, I was this close to become a Generation Z. Like I'm the last I'm somewhere in the last bracket of the millennials. And like us, yes, we did have the like investing, but it wasn't as sexy and as attractive as it is right now because of this, because of technology. Like 10 years ago, or when I started college in 2012, there was no Robinhood. There was no crypto. Like, well, yeah, there was crypto, but nobody knew anything about crypto in your school. There was no, maybe Coinbase, but I think that was created like in the early or like late 2010s or something like that. But there was nothing of this resource, right? And I think that's the best thing. I think I was late. I should have started maybe in 2015 or 2016 when I graduated college. But for some reason, I was never involved in a community, right, that helped me understand all of this. But that's it. That's it. I like that even at my age, I'm learning all about Dogecoin, that it's crazy and it's just fun because there's a community behind it. And I mean, whether you make money or not, you're learning, you're investing, you're spending your money more wisely, right, than just wasting it in maybe, I don't know, whatever people waste their money in. And I mean, in a way, it's a fun thing to do if you do it, the right way. If you do it, with a purpose, with a goal, then that's it. Like, let me tell you my goal, guys. Need more water. When I'm used to talking a lot, but I always have water right next to me. What was I gonna say? But yeah, I mean, oh yeah, my goal. Nice. So my goal here is the following. I want to have, at this time, $50,000 invested in stocks or crypto or retirement, and the other $50,000 do real estate. Or I want to do house hacking. Let me see a comment from my man Alex. Says, "You're not late. I'm 48 here." Alex, you're the man. Started at 45, made more than 241K in 3 years, 70% coins, 25% stocks, and 15% bonds. Oof. Oof. That is amazing. Congrats. Alex, you're the man. Congrats. And thank you so much for being a supporter of the channel. One thing I've learned is that the last week, not the last week, like the last year, and 2019, 2020, that's when a lot of people joined the stock market, right? So if you're saying that you started at 45, it means that you started in like 2017. It means that you bought positions, and if you held those positions right now, they're 4x, 3x, 2x, right? So wow. That's fantastic. That's the goal. That's the goal. To have those positions and to hold it. And that's the idea I also have. To have positions to hold it for a while and make the money. So great job, Alex. You are the man. So alrighty. Dogecoin, guys. We want to see DOGECOIN to the moon. Seeing that phrase, it's so fun. I cannot believe that there's a brand already. There's a dog on the top of a rocket. Oh gosh, like not even Bitcoin. Like there's no Bitcoin. I think there's no Bitcoin meme, right? I mean, it wasn't intended to be a meme, but there's a community of Bitcoin, but I think it's like from more seasoned investors. We have a comment here for Bianca. Welcome, Bianca. You're saying, "Hi, I'm new to all of this. How much should I start with investing in Doge?" Well, here the community in the channel will help you out. If you have any question, Bianca, welcome. And my answer to you is this. It's very easy. My answer is, out of all the money you have from your investing portfolio, take 10% or 20% or That's just my rule, right? And that's allocated for crypto, right? That's for crypto only. The rest is for something more secure. And out of that 20%, do 5%, do 3%, and that's for Dogecoin. Why? And I may be too conservative, and I may change my opinion later on, right? But I just want people to make money and not to lose money. I want people to do it. And as you're making money and as you're learning, then start putting more and more and more. Because if I tell you, you know what, 50% of your portfolio, do it, I think that's stupid. I think that's for someone who, like you said, it's new to this. No, don't do it. Like we have examples like Alex. He already knows. He's seasoned. He has gone through the crashes. But you, Bianca, welcome to the channel. And be careful. Okay, thank you. Is Robinhood good? I just seen Alex comments earlier. Robinhood is okay for stocks and ETFs. Robinhood is really good for stocks and ETFs. I know there's Robinhood margin, there's Robinhood spreads, there's Robinhood options. I have tried a lot of things. I have not tried spreads. I have not tried the margin. I've never tried margin, so I don't have an opinion on margin, but I know that the only pictures I see on margin, it's from pictures that are losing. And yeah, I'm not a financial advisor. Thanks for that, Alex. It's in my description as well. But yeah, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is for entertainment only. I love that. Yeah, there's people that have even like a logo here that says that. And it's true. I'm not a financial advisor, guys. So this is for pure entertainment only and just my experience. Now, but Bianca, but yeah, that's it. That's it. Robinhood, it's a good place to buy Doge. Yes, very easy, very quick. But know that it's not FDI insured, and know that the coins you're buying are not yours, are Robinhood's, and they're just giving you this idea that you have it, and you can cash it out whenever you want, but there's sometimes issues with it. That's why I'm waiting on Coinbase to add it. In my case, I wanted to open an account on Binance to buy Doge, but guess what? Guess what, everyone? For some reason, in the address I live, I cannot open a Binance trading account. That's insane. Let me know if you guys, let me know if you guys are experiencing that. Okay, great job. So Carlos Martinez, welcome, Carlos. Welcome, Carlos. I like your name. You aren't too conservative. This only lasts while the hype lasts, not fundamental backing. You said it. You said it. You said it. I did not, but I do agree with that. It's the hype. It's the hype, and I just try to be clear that when it comes to crypto like Dogecoin, it's so awesome. It feels great. You want to buy, you want to sell. Well, you actually want to buy then sell, right, and hold. But you have to be careful. Be mindful that there are other stuff, and have some percentage of your portfolio allocated to Doge. Yes, do it. I'm not gonna say don't buy it. I never said don't buy it, but just have more money allocated somewhere else. Alex says, well, I mean, about the financial advisor. Great reminder. We have Tosa. Welcome, Tosa. Welcome to the channel. Happy to have you here. You say Dogecoin rate of inflation is 5%, right? So is that better than US dollar? CPI strips out cost increase for food, energy, housing are all like 10%. What else cost of living then? Well, I do not know what is the inflation of Dogecoin, but I can tell you that it's hype, and be mindful with your purchases. Very good question. So who is good to buy Doge through? At this point, Binance. Oh, it's 40 cents, guys. It came to 40 cents right now, and came this close to 40 cents and came back down. Pretty cool. So Binance will be the one. Let me show you. Bianca, I want to help you out. So Binance, or I say Binance, but people say Binance. You get what I'm saying. Here it is, Binance.us. You have to use the .us to buy and sell crypto. You click here, and then you click Get Started, right? and you get started and you create your account, and this is where you buy. If I'm not mistaken, please correct me if I'm wrong, right? But this is what I've seen people do. I've seen people buy BNB, and from BNB they buy Dogecoin. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry, but that's what I know. I don't think Binance allows you to buy Dogecoin with US dollars. That's what I remember, right? Like I wanted to know, I wanted to learn, but like I said, for some reason, it's not allowing me to create the account. Cool. Elias Contreras, welcome, Elias. Welcome to the channel, Elias. Really happy to have you here, honestly, dude. You're saying, when should you start selling or buying? Well, when should you start buying? Personally, I'm gonna wait for a drop to put more money, but because I want to hold till $1, you can just buy right now. So here are two examples. One example is, let me see. One example is that you just want to hold until $1, then doesn't really matter when you buy, just buy and you hold, but expect pullbacks. And the other example, the one I kind of do more with stocks, because it works with stocks, right? The stock's never gonna go all the way up. They come back down, come back up. Is you wait for a pullback, you wait for a 5%, 2%, correction is 10%, and then that's when you buy, and then goes up. With crypto, and especially Doge, all the rules are gonna be broken. And Alex, you says you can open a Binance, right? Hit me up on DM, direct message to send you a video on how to do it. And that's perfect. Thank you, Alex, for that. Will do. Tosa, you're saying, I think the hype is because Doge is coding for Coinbase integration. Unlike Robinhood, Coinbase, you can have a real crypto wallet to own the coin on hard drive, and brings crypto more mainstream. So people are expecting an influx of investing in crypto, and Doge as Coinbase legitimizes crypto trading in boomers' mind. 100% correct. I think that because it's not right now, right? I think that for sure, stream keeps cutting for me. Anyone else? Let's see. No video to maintain a smooth transition. 4. All right. Well, I see the stream is still going, but it does look like there's maybe just a little bit of lag. It's all right. It's all right. We're all here. We're all here. But hello, hello. It does look like there's maybe a little lag. It's all right. It's all right. Okay, you may be able to hear me, guys, and I'm sorry for that stream. I'm still checking stuff here, but okay, there you go. We may be back, guys. We may be back. But if you can hear me, sorry for that stream. Still checking stuff here, but well, probably my computer is not strong enough to handle it. But you let me know, guys, if you are on, but really choppy. I see. I may have a time limit here on my computer. Who knows? Maybe a lot to handle. But anyway, okay, I think it's back. You let me know, guys, if it's back. But anyway, what was I saying? Dogecoin already above 40 cents. That's pretty cool. It's coming back above 40 cents, guys. That's nice. So yeah, so you were saying, Tosa, about your the Coinbase on Dogecoin. Yes, that's right. That's what's gonna happen when Dogecoin hits Coinbase. I mean, it's gonna be insane. So we'll just have to see. Welcome, Greg. Welcome. There you go. Welcome to the channel. $1 this week, and Jesse's back. Thank you, guys. It's back. That's great. I have my phone here. Okay. I'm back. Second round. You know, YouTube. $1 this week. Done. Welcome to the stream. My opinion on $1. It will happen. It will happen. That's what I'm saying. Like, should you wait or should you buy right now? I think just if you just want to see the dollar and you want to earn those profits, just buy it. I'm actually waiting for a drop, but I don't know if it actually is going to happen anytime soon. This, what I'm showing you here, is not enough drop for me. But, oh boy. It seems that Coinbase news is too much. Imagine selling Doge at 1 cent. Guys, there's something I haven't told you. Let me show you. Let me show you here. Here's my history. Here's my history, guys. So I bought Dogecoin the first time on January the 1st. That's insane. And look at it. I bought with $50. I bought almost 10,000 Doge. And then the next day, the following day, I bought with same $50. I was able to buy half of it. Even less than half of it. That's insane, guys. Because the price was just jumping. And then what did this dumb guy did? I sold super cheap. Gosh, no, I mean, and there's people who sold even at a cheaper price. And of course, they I mean, they're posting on Facebook, they're posting on all these type of social networks, and they're all, you know, banging their heads on the wall. And I can tell you guys that I was this close of having so many coins, but I sold 12,000 coins. I just sold so many, and it's fine. I mean, in a way, you live and you learn, and it is what it is. It is what it is. I mean, there's not much you can do about it, but what you can do is to learn. And right now I bought my last one on February the 9th. And what can I tell you guys? What can I tell you? So Dogecoin at 41 cents. Will it reach $1 today? We want it. We want it so bad. So you also sold Dogecoins. I can tell you. I mean, it is what happens. It is what happens when you're learning a lot, when you're trying to become something. But it is fine. You know, I'm gonna be heading out pretty soon because I'm about to eat some sushi. But look at this, guys. Let me show you. Learning is expensive. It's true, Toast. It's true. Look. Buy Dogecoin. Dogecoin trades may not execute right now. We're experiencing let me read that well. Intermediate. I'm sorry for my pronunciation, but we're facing problem issues with crypto trading due to heightened volumes because of this. Some crypto trades may not execute right now. So that is the issue. That is, in plain simple terms, the issue with Dogecoin, guys. Pretty cool. James, welcome. Here on TradingView, we're looking at the price of Dogecoin at almost 40. Robinhood almost 40. Let's go ahead and see the latest on Twitter. What people are saying, it's always good. So look at this. And I love Twitter for that reason, that you can see all of this and the community behind it. That is insane. It's just insane. And I think what's the funny thing is that everybody's just against Robinhood at this point. So everybody's just like collectively attacking it. It's now Robinhood is in a crypto trading issue, in a bigger trading issue. We're continuing to experience, problems, degraded performance of crypto trading. Oh gosh, that's what we have to live with, right? I'm gonna close this. There you go. So we have more speed. Got more speed. James, you're saying that Doge will be $5 in a few days. I wanna see it, buddy. I wanna see it, because that's when you know you made the right move right now, right? So we are almost 500% above. That's awesome. I'm very happy. Like I've been saying to my viewers, this is my second live stream. My name is Oscar. I love to invest. I love to make money, and I love to learn and see the sometimes mistakes for you guys, so you don't have to do it. And I tell you the result. Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies, the ones I recommend, easy. Ethereum, Bitcoin, Cardano, Dogecoin, Binance, really good ones. Let me know in the chat if you own any more, because I want to learn, right? The stocks right now, stocks that are pumping iron, EV and technology, and Dow Jones stocks as well. People are talking about a crash when it comes to the stocks. So stocks are managed and governed, of course, by how the companies trade, by the government regulations. If you don't like any of that, cryptocurrency is the answer for you. And that's exactly why cryptocurrency is the answer, because there's no private company like Robinhood, for example, that can handle the power of the people. And the power of the people is this. They want to buy, they want to become rich. There's people on the internet saying, kids, not even 20, saying, I want to become a millionaire and Dogecoin is going to help me do that. That is what I'm talking about, guys. That is what I'm talking about. So, in a way, everyone, well, I think the lesson learned here is that you and I can become rich by so many different ways, not the typical 9-to-5 job. I hate it. I mean, it is necessary. I like it. If you like your job, fantastic. Do it the best you can. But could be completely honest with you guys, you have to achieve financial freedom. You have to achieve a time with your family. You can just call the office and say, I'm not going because it's just family day. So to do that, to get to that point, everything starts here. Everything starts right now. And Dogecoin can help you do that, absolutely. And when it's listed on Coinbase, I'm out to Coinbase. Everyone, that is 1 hour stream. Wow, I'm honestly very happy for all your comments, for everything that I'm looking here on the chat. I want to thank everybody for joining. I mean, 14 viewers, 10 viewers, 1 viewer. I'm nobody, of course, in the YouTuber stock space. I'm trying to learn. I'm trying to grow. And if you guys like this content, if you guys like what we talked about, go ahead and show support. Become part of the family by subscribing. Become part of the family by liking, by asking questions. I always reply. If you want to talk to me, as a buddy on the side, or as someone like if you had it on your contacts, there's my Patreon page. You can show more support there as well. And if anything, guys, take care. Thank you, everybody. Alex, Bianca, Don, Tosa, and many more. Steve, thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm out, but we'll see what happens with Dogecoin. Will it hit $1 today? Hopefully it will. And if that happens, I promise I'll be back with another live stream and see what's going on. See what's going on with Dogecoin. Everyone, you take care. God bless everyone. Be safe and enjoy Friday and enjoy the weekend. Bye, guys. Thank you so much. Peace. We'll see you guys. Take it easy. Thank you so much, guys. Appreciate it.